Friends, in next point, Albert met Yuri after 6 months and he had an idea. It means after passing 6 months, Albert met his friend Yuri. Albert discussed his idea with Yuri and he told Yuri that he needed a medical certificate showing that he suffered from a nervous breakdown. It means he told Yuri that he had to need a medical certificate. That medical certificate should be the illness of nervous breakdown with his name, and in this way he could get rid of his school. And Albert wanted to get rid from his school with the help of that lie illness certificate. He asked Yuri about some doctor and to prepare that lie certificate. Albert needed a doctor and he asked Yuri about a doctor and asked, can you arrange any doctor for me to prepare a lie certificate? So Yuri told him he would ask his friend, and then Yuri replied him that he would discuss with his friends about a doctor. Then Yuri told him about Dr. Ernest Well. Then after discussion a doctor with his friends, Yuri informed Albert that he had known about a doctor whose name was Ernest Well. Yuri told him not to deceive him and he must be frank with him. It means Yuri said to Albert that you should explain your all problems with Dr. Ernest and you must be frank with doctor. Albert told Yuri that for this we will really give himself a nervous breakdown. It means Albert told Yuri to show his problem we will pretend to be a stressful condition, and Dr. Ernest issued him the certificate. Otherwise, doctor will issue, and Albert also said that if we will not pretend, then Dr. Ernest will not agree to give the certificate of nervous breakdown, and his fees were that he should serve Yuri with a meal. It means Albert went to near the doctor and told him old things, but in starting Dr. Ernest not agree, and but on saying Yuri, doctor prepared a certificate for Albert, and in place of doctor fees Albert gave a meal party to Yuri, and Albert told doctor about his future plan and to get a certificate. After this, Albert discussed his future plans with Dr. Ernest. He hoped to get admission to some Italian college or institute. It means Albert had a hope to take admission in an Italian school, college means institute, and Yuri told Albert to get a reference in writing from the mathematics teacher before going to head teacher. It means Yuri suggested Albert that before leaving the school you will need a written permission of your mathematics teacher, and with medical certificate. It should be signatured by your principal. Mr. Coach, the mathematics teacher, was a different man. And to listen this, Albert became worried because the maths teacher, Mr. Coach, was a strict teacher and Albert knows him very well. Okay.
टाटा।